guys, so welcome back to my channel. Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for the month of November 2021, once again using this kit from PlannerFace. So I did add on the Monday start strip, then I ended up putting the date on as if I started on a Sunday, so then I had to tear off the Monday start strip, so it took away most of the ink, but I just left it like that because there was nothing I can do. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I'm just going to get started with the day by day. So on Monday the 1st of November I went back to work, so I used this teacher character from the Whimsical Cat Studio to mark that. On the 2nd I used a pencil from the kit, you know, it was a really busy day, and then the side eye character from Fox and Cactus to note that I was annoyed. On the 3rd, I used this pillow icon from Cardi Plants to note that I overslept, and a car icon from the kit to note that there was lots of traffic. On the 4th, I used a camera sticker from the Crafty Planner to note it was picture day, and then I used this Munchkin sticker from What's With Love to note that I dressed up so that my bump was visible for the pictures. On the 5th, I noted throwing up at work with this girl from Joy of Planning, and then I used a sticker from Olive Studio to note I was feeling a bit down. On the 6th, I used a teacup sticker from the kit to note that I drank lots of tea that day, and then a bow sticker from the kit also to note that the fireworks were noisy and annoying me. On the 7th, I used this Godman and Coco gal to note organising my stickers. On the 8th, I used another pillow from Cardi Plants to note I was really sleepy that day, and I used this receipts kind of sticker from the kit to note I was signing my maternity documents at work, to note when I was leaving and when I was coming back. On the 9th, I used this ice cream sticker from Strawberry Lime Designs to note getting creams, and then I used this ultrasound sticker from PMD stickers to note going for a scan. On the 10th, I used this fork and knife sticker from the kit to note that we got some Caribbean food. And then I used this sticker from Stick with a Planko to note that my baby was moving lots. If you can hear him in the background, he's sleeping. And then on the 11th, I used this another Stick with a Planko sticker to note the kids getting the flu jab. And then I used a Valiant Tuma sticker to note I took an angry nap. On the 13th, I used this girl from Goldman and Coco to note fun planning. On the 14th, I used a pillow icon again from Cardi Plants to note sleeping in, and then a planner sticker from Papershire to note a plan with me binge. On the 15th, I used this sticker from SBC to note doing some sticker shopping. I think it came with an anniversary kit. On the 16th, I used a pen from the kit to note I was covering again. I used this planner gal from Paper Dolls Co to note a plan with me binge. I marked a midwife appointment with this nurse sticker from PMD stickers and a pizza sticker from the kit to note getting some takeout. On the 18th, I marked covering again with this planning girl from PMD stickers, and I marked lots of cramps with this cramp sticker from What's My Love. On the 19th, I used a car from the kit to note traffic, and then this slushy sticker from Beneva's Creation to note that I was craving slushies, and I got some. On the 20th, I used this character from Whimsical Cat Studio to note Harry Potter binge. On the 21st, I used a pencil sticker to note watching The Good Doctor. I don't know why I used a pencil, but I did. And then I used a planner piece sticker from SBC to note a plan with me binge. On the 22nd, I used a pillow to note being really, really tired, and then another slushy sticker from Beneva's Creations to note getting more slushies. On the 23rd, I marked cramps with a What's My Love Munchkin, and I noted feeling ill with this another Munchkin looking sick. On the 24th, I used a bow sticker to note it was a long day, and a laptop sticker from Olive Studio to note my husband going into work. On the 25th, I used this bag sticker from the kit to note Black Friday shopping, and then a pizza sticker from Make Plans to note having a pizza night. On the 26th, I used this Munchkin spending money to note it was Black Friday, and I used this cat nap sticker from Fox and Cactus to note taking a nap. On the 27th, I used this TV sticker to note watching NCIS, and then I used this planner sticker from PMD. Both of these stickers are from PMD Designs to note memory planning. On to the 28th, I used the popcorn sticker from the kit to note watching more NCIS. And I used this Coke bottle sticker that was from SPC, I think, to note get into Subway. On the 29th, I noted taking bump pictures with this sticker from Joy Planning, and then I noted cuddles with my husband with this old Sienna scribbler from SPC. On the 30th, I used a bed sticker from Carly Plan to note going to bed early, and a present sticker from the kit to note it was the baby I was observing's 2nd birthday. So that was the end of this monthly highlights. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and let me know what you thought of the spread. So if you can hear my baby in the background, he is waking up. But anyways, I shall see you in the next one. Bye.